Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest one to the Sun. Yet it is one of the most fascinating and extreme worlds ever discovered, named after the Roman messenger god because of its fast movements across the sky. Mercury raced around the Sun faster than any other planets. From Earth, it is difficult to observe because it always appeared close to the Sun, either just before sunrise or just after sunset. For centuries, that made Mercury one of the least understood planets. But modern space missions have revealed a world full of surprises. One of the most remarkable facts about Mercury is its size. It is only slightly larger than Earth's moon, with a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers. Because of its small size, Mercury has weaker gravity compared to Earth, which makes it difficult for the planet to hold onto a thick atmosphere. Instead of the true atmosphere, Mercury has very thin layer of gas called an exosphere made up of atoms blast off its surface by solar wind and meteor impacts. Mercury's orbit around the Sun is extremely fast and unusual. It completes one full revolution of just 88 Earth days, making it is year of the shortest of the planets. However, Mercury rotates very slowly on its axis. One full rotation takes about 49 Earth days. Because of this strange motion, a single day on Mercury from one sunrise to the next lasts about 176 Earth days, which is actually longer than its year. The planet experiences the most extremely atmosphere temperature different in the solar system. During the day, a temperature can rise to around 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. At night, temperature can drop to minus 180 degrees Celsius because Mercury lacks an atmosphere to trap heat. This dramatic change between the day and night makes Mercury an incredibly harsh and unforgiving environment. Mercury's surface closely resembles that of Earth's moon. It is covered with countless craters formed by asteroid and comet impacts over billions of years. Some of these craters are massive, including the Caloris Basin, which is about 1,550 kilometers wide. This giant impact likely reshaped much of planet's surface and caused long cliffs, known as scarps, to form as Mercury cooled and shrunk over time. Despite being close to the Sun, Mercury contains water ice. Scientists discovered that deep craters near the planet's poles never receive sunlight. The permanently shadowed region remain extremely cold, allowing ice to survive for billions of years. This discovery changed our understanding of where water can exist in the solar system and showed that even the hottest region can hide frozen secrets. Mercury also has a surprisingly strong magnetic field, although it is much weaker than Earth's. This magnetic field suggests that Mercury has a large iron-rich core that partially molten. In fact, the core makes up about 85% of planet's radius, which is higher than any other planets. This massive core plays a key role. Mercury's magnetic activity and internal structure. Exploration of Mercury has been limited due to the difficulty of reaching about obtaining such a sun-hugging planet. NASA's Mariner 10 spacecraft was the first to visit Mercury in the 1970s, capturing images of about half the planet's surface. The Messenger mission provided detailed maps, chemical data and evidence of water ice before crashing into the planet in 2025. More recently, the Baby Colombo mission launched by ESA and JAXA is on its way to study Mercury in even greater details. Mercury has no moons and no rings, make it one of the simplest planets in terms of structure. However, this simplicity hides a complex geological history shaped by intense solar radiation, ancient impacts, and internal cooling. Studying Mercury helps scientists understand how rocky planets form and evolve, including the Earth itself. In conclusion, Mercury may be small, but it is a planet extremely and mysterious. From its blazing heat and freezing night to its hidden ice and massive iron core, Mercury challenges our assumption about planets close to the Sun. As future missions continue to explore this tiny world, Mercury will undoubtedly reveal ever more secrets.